What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can undo sending an email in Gmail. So let's have it. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Gmail. And from here, go ahead and go to settings. So click on this cog icon right here and click on see all settings. Now, once you're in here, go to the portion that says undo send. And here you can actually select how long you want to hold the email before sending it. So here it is set to 5, but you can also choose to hold it for 30 seconds before Gmail actually sends it, and you can undo within this time frame. So after that, just scroll down and click on save changes. Now, after that, you can go ahead and compose, and let's send a message to our friend here. Let's just call this one test, and let's write the message. So this is testing the undo function. All right, so after that, click on send, and you notice that there is going to be a message here that says undo or view message. So since we specified 30 seconds, so we can still click on undo, and you will be able to check everything and edit your mail. Now, once you are satisfied with that, you can just go ahead and send it again. And it is going to give you 30 seconds again. If you have any changes, you can still click undo. But after 30 seconds, this email is gonna be sent. All right. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.